This is a 2015 CDBG waterline replacement project. We are proposing to replace the existing 2-inch water lines along the streets of Cleveland, Pasadena Boulevard and Monroe and some of these areas. The existing water lines is compromised due to age and is being very old, so these need to be replaced with a bigger size. The installation of the 6-inch water line along the street right of way will be mostly done underground through either boring to minimize the effects of on the street, and also minimize the open cutting cost for the street and the inconveniences for the residences to access their driveway. Every time any infrastructure going down the road and then get implemented, it's a tremendous accomplishment for the City of Pasadena's engineering department and myself. The mayor and the existing city council members are very much agreeable with this project, and the construction just started about a week ago.